Hello, hello, hello. This is your boy 1 out of 20%, and we're here again today for another market recap. Today I applied some trades on gold futures as usual. Um, and today was very curious day, a very difficult day to trade. There was a lot of pressure throughout the day because there was a fundamentals day, and I've made a few mistakes that I will highlight throughout the recording. So I would like to start with my bias for the day. So the bias was taking only long positions. The reason why was last night or yesterday the market closed above the 2691. My LIS was set on 2691. The market opened this morning below the 2691, and I comfortably said, okay, if the market opened below but broke the price level and rotate all the way to the other side of the value area, that's fine. So we're gonna take longs, and I set my LIS to 26.99. I've done this for two reasons. The first one was in case of the market broke and rotate all the way back to 26.91, I would take advantage of this rotation and make some PNL, but also to start trading or taking long positions from here rather than wait. Let's say if the market was here, rather than wait a lot of time, and well, the market already was open when uh, I I opened up the platform today, so it was okay. Okay, let's go to the VWAP. This is the VWAP, as you guys know. And when I got on the market today, as soon as I went on the platform, the market was already driven from the previous CVA from one side to another. And I start trading around this zone, around this zone. So I will show you now the disaster, the orders that I took today. And as you can see, this is when I start going on the market. Initially I could take a long position from here and make my day, but for some reason I didn't take, and I just waited to see what the market would do today. Uh, as the market start going up, I took one long position from here. There was a little bit of disputing between buyers and sellers, and when the market went down, I took another long. Uh, I could take my position from here or from here, and I would comfortably make a good profit. But what I've done, this is when we start doing the mistake, is I was confident that the market would pull back and go all the way up. The market actually did, but the market didn't do it until the fundamentals being released. So basically, I was all of this time waiting, and when I realized that the sellers start going down, I literally just decide to flatten out of pressure because I got trapped. Basically, the sellers they decide to just drop a lot of inventory, and I just followed the lead and I just flattened my position. I flattened my position and I was already with at least 1,400 drawdown. I tried to reverse the position, take some, just giving continuation because there was another line formed showing the market going down, but I got stopped out again. So I quickly went from 0 to 1,900 at least. Uh, I thought the market was going down, going up, and I put a long position over here, but I got stopped out again, and the market started going down. I said, okay, I was already with probably 2000, 2000 and something. I put a short position and let the market drive all the way down to the VWAP. I took my position, fine. As soon as the news were released, uh, the market just reversed completely, aggressively. And if I was a little bit more patient, rather than just uh, feeling pressured, I would just wait a little bit more, and I would just wait for the market to rotate and probably just getting stopped out around here on break even, or even take a little bit of profit and be done for the day. But that didn't happen. So I start taking positions or scalping when I realized that my PNL was very negative. So I put one long position, but didn't take me too long. Take one long over here. As soon as I saw the market going down again, I realized that was just the pressure of the news. I took another long uh, from here to here. As the market went down, I took another long again because the market just went to the same place, and I'll start taking positions. But my happiness didn't last long. Again, I got fooled. The market trapped me again, and when I thought the market would go down, the market went up, and I was in drawdown again. So I concentrate and I said, okay, let's wait, let's be patient, let's not just take positions out of nowhere because like this I will blow my account. So I put myself right back to my body because my soul was already gone because I was almost revenge trading, and I noticed that there was a fail to rotate around this level. So I decided to apply two short positions. The market went all the way down. That granted me a quite good amount of capital, around $900 or so. I cleared some drawdown, took another two. I should have let going down. From this position, from these two short positions, I should let the market do a little bit of pullback and go all the way down, and I was secure. But because I didn't want to risk it all, I wanted to make it slowly, slowly. I just decided let the market be driven a little bit, and I took another four positions around here. I was clearing my drawdown. This was the last position where I cleared most of my drawdown, and I was happy to remain with $60 negative. But I haven't. I just decided as because my strategies or my bias as well is as soon as the market breaks this 26.96 or 26.99, I would just sell. That's what I did. I sold. The market went up and down, and I had chance to leave the market in break even for at least two times, but I haven't done. So I accumulate more drawdown. As I accumulate more drawdown, I saw the market going up again. I decided just to reverse. So I reversed the market. I took one long position over here. I should let the position go a little bit above the view up or to the view up, but I didn't because at this point I was just scalping. Um, as I did, as the market pulled back a little bit over here, I took another two longs positions and I make some profit. Good. Uh, my last position, which was a few minutes before I start doing the recording, was around here, and honestly, I was 100% sure that the market was to go up, but I've been waiting for the market to do all of this rotation so I could apply my strategy right for at least 3 or 4 or even 5 hours today. So I decided not to trade any longer, and I put on my head so all the profit that I do from now on, from the next half an hour, I'll keep it. Doesn't matter if it's $5, $1, $10, but hopefully I've made such good trades, good scalpings, I would say, because a trade could be better, and that granted me $240. It was 5 hours of trading, struggling a little bit because of the drawdown, but hopefully it was really, really good because I took some learning again. We learn every day. I tried something that I never did before in terms of the market profile or volume profile, you name it. I tried one or two things. Also, I just decided to play the strategy and that I always learn from the course that I did, uh, and everything that I learned I applied on the second round of this trading today, and hopefully I'm happy because everything that I applied today on my second round was profitable. So I clear my drawdown, end up the day with a positive PNL, and my account hopefully is not affected at all. Yesterday was a very good trade, I admit, but today it wasn't due to my lack of risk management once again. But yes, so those are the things that I would like to advise the every single people or every single person that is watching the video and is start trading right now as a beginner, because I'm not an advanced as well. I consider myself as a intermediate. In maybe in a few years I'll be an advanced trader, but we need to be careful, especially when we have fundamentals, when we have a news release. We need to be very careful, try not to risk too much capital, be precise, always do what is right, follow your strategy, because this could cost me my account straight away. I would blow my account and I would be fuming, but because I learned it a little bit and now I know how to get rid of this inconvenience, I would say, I safely make some more PNL and I save my account. But apart of that, it was a very good trading day. I learned something new again. And yes, if you guys enjoyed the video or have any questions, please comment on the section below. If you need anything, all the tools that I use, you can find on the description. There is a link where you can access and speak with the right people to provide you all the tools. So thank you guys for watching once again. And yes, enjoy the rest of your day. Trade safely and don't overtrade. Don't overtrade doesn't mean don't do two, 3 or 4 trades. Do as much as you can, but as soon as you have the profit that you desire, just leave the market for the day and carry on doing your what you have to do, and don't worry about anything else, because what the most important in trading that I'm learning as well is having the green PNL. Green PNL doesn't matter how much you do, that saves you your account and makes you happy at the end of the day. Thank you guys.